the bleaching complete, the slurry is violently churned, creating the unique base white of the dollar bill.
Step 16, the dandy roll. As the cylinder rolls, it presses the intricate watermark into the wet white slurry.
The ink, starting as a thick, viscous globule, is meticulously spread across a series of high-speed steel.
The wiping cylinder presses firmly, scraping all excess ink from the smooth surface, leaving the vibrant green ink.
Step 29. The impact. 60 tons of pressure.
The manipulator arm rotates the stack a full 180 degrees, ensuring the blank side is up and ready for the critical front side printing process.
The ink is raised, standing up like tiny mountain ranges. This demonstrates the unique feel of real money.
Step 37. The 3D security ribbon. Macro. Step 39. The bell leaf paint cell.
A microscopic view inside the ribbon reveals thousands of glass lenses. These lenses utilize The system detects a minor flaw. A small nozzle fires a jet of invisible UV ink onto one specific bill.
Step 48. The completed stack. 32 subject sheets.
The cutter feed, or skid, containing 10,000 sheets, is moved effortlessly onto the air cushion table.
the bundles move under the camera for the strap verification check, the system analyzes the centering and color saturation.
A larger machine collects 10 strap units and presses them together. It wraps the block in clear, thick plastic film.
A heavy-duty shrink wrap machine encases them in a tough, cloudy clear polymer. This heavy unit is known as a brick or cash pack.
Step 59, the yellow label application. The brick is identified for the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, totaling $400,000.
Perimeter secure. Bay is cold.
Step 74, the UV test. When exposed to black light, the fluorescent fluorescent.
Step 77, the 3D security ribbon, holographic physics. As the camera pans,
As the slide sweeps, the raised ink on Franklin's shoulder casts long shadows.
This is the Urian constellation, design pattern, design.
The serial numbers aren't random. They track geography. The first letter, L, corresponds to the Federal Reserve Bank in San Francisco.